Globalization and food security. Food security that is linked to the complex process of food production, consumption, and distribution intersects with issues of trade, reforms in agriculture as well as rural development. Economic globalization involves foreign trading of food. This encompasses the creation of a global food supply chain or the process involving the production, manufacturing, consumption, and disposal happening across different national borders. Some issues in the chain include contamination and lack of a mechanism to trace where food comes from. Cultural globalization also creates changes in people's taste, preference, and consumption of food. For instance, transnational fast food corporations have operated in different countries. Some of the biggest fast food chains are McDonald's, Burger King, Starbucks, KFC, and Pizza Hut, and Subway. Economic globalization can also tremendously impact food security. In the Philippines, agricultural food production weakens because of the decrease in government spending for agriculture as a consequence of the structural adjustment program imposed by the IMF and World Bank. In 1982, 7.5% of total government expenditure went to agriculture, then spending decreased to 3.3% in 1988. Trade liberalization in the Philippines marked by the joining of the Philippines in the World Trade Organization required the country to eliminate quota for agricultural imports, allowing the entry of cheap imported agricultural products that discouraged local farmers. The Philippines also became dependent on rice imports despite the country's ability to become a rice self-sufficient.